More video clip from popular Nollywood actress Ekene Umenwa and her husband, film producer Keanson traditional marriage and moment, money, rain, and they dance with their colleagues. Before we proceed, if you come across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please kindly share our video with your loved ones, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Lastly, do type congratulations for the beautiful actress and her hubby at the comment section. God bless, one love. More exciting activities from Nollywood popular actress Ekene Umenwa and her husband, Nollywood movie producer Keanson traditional marriage ceremony. The beautiful traditional marriage of the Nollywood actress and her husband Keanson was held in Benin City on 2nd of November 2023. It was well attended by their friends and her colleagues in the movie industry and their family members. The Nollywood movie star Ekene Umenwa, who cannot keep calm as she tied the knot with her longtime partner and filmmaker Alex Keanson, has shared another beautiful moment from her traditional marriage ceremony. So guys, enjoy and do share our video with your loved ones. Do congratulate her once again at the comment section and remember to turn on your notification bell because tomorrow is our white wedding ceremony. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Do congratulate her at the comment section. God bless you all, one love, and hit the like button. God bless.
When? Oga Mike. Oga Mike. You know my father. Oga Mike. Kò ní lè bùtẹ́ mmadụ. Oga Mike yana esali ya kula. Watch it. Yeah.